we have gone to the other storage container and we picked up a load of stuff that we are moving into the tiny house so we can stay here tonight. You're watching American Roots. He's not taking in trash. Those are the pads to...
This is trash.
Those are the pads to our sleeping bag. So we started carrying in some stuff. And we are gonna sleep here tonight. Yay! We didn't anticipate having a tiny house tonight. So we're gonna stay out here. It's only supposed to be like 42. I don't think it's gonna be bad. The house is insulated. We have our cots that are like padded, so we won't be sleeping on the floor. We have like table, coffee maker, like our battery generator, coming in handy right now. It at least gets us into power. It at least is able to charge our phones, use our computer, or do the battery charging scene. And then we can also, here comes Joe. And then we can also do
I left him in the shed.
He's got to go open the shed now.
When I left him in there and we left to come back.
We just woke up. We slept the first night in the tiny house, and it was wonderful. You can tell that the house is not level. We just kind of got surprised, like, hey, I'm available to deliver your house today. Are you ready? And we were like, yeah, we're ready. So when he came, we didn't have the spot dug out or the gravel put down or anything ready for the tiny house. So it was super cool to actually like get it put down. And then we realized like, oh gosh, it's not level. We're gonna need to push it into a level spot. Here comes Joe. It was so cool staying on our own land last night. I woke up and I was like, oh yeah, we're in our house. Joe's outside squirreling around and I don't have to worry about him making noise because we don't have any neighbors. Sleeping on our own property was so awesome. This has been a super productive day just today. Yesterday we got so much done. We slept so good. And now today we are just making it happen while we're on vacation. I'm gonna get started on some kind of lunch. So this is my first meal I'm cooking in the tiny house. I am making Joe a egg sandwich. So I'm letting this stuff toast. I'm gonna make an egg and he's gonna be ready to go. So I tried to get things as organized as possible. I have it like food storage, dried goods, that kind of thing. This is our first adventure in our off-grid cabin on our property. Super awesome. Just wanted to document this moment. Super hard to film one-handed, but here is his breakfast sandwich.